Annapolis inventory has risen 75% over the past 2 years, but more inventory hasn't caused prices to fall. It's Friday, August 28, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory rose to 248 properties for sale in Annapolis at a median list price of $717,450. These have been listed for sale at 70 median days. Zip code 21401 has 109 properties for sale this week at a median list price of $949,900, and these have been offered for 68 days. 9 properties went under contract this report at a $750,000 median list price and in 47 days. Zip code 21403 has 89 properties for sale at 78 days and a list price of $650,000. 10 properties went under contract this report at $627,450 median list price and in 50 days. Zip code 21409 also still has 50 properties listed at $605,651 and active for 73 days. 4 went under contract this report at a median list price of $950,000 and in 12 days. Coming soon properties rose to 33 properties with a list price of $725,000. 23 properties went under contract in 28 days at a median list price of $649,900. 28 properties sold in 9 days at 100% list to sold ratio with the median sold price of $672,500. Rental properties are at 52 rentals listed for lease at $3,275 median dollars per month. 8 properties leased over the past week with a median lease rate of $2,675 per month, leased in 19 days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 28, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.